students, a very quick and very important advice to all of you. If you can do it, please do this one. Many students may not have, because this I can understand the tough period of 2 months, 2.5 months. Many students would not have written the examination papers or so, or any of the test series kind of a thing. Doesn't matter, students, but this can be replaced by one last effort which I want all of you to do it. Students, as we all know, it is only one paper in the group which becomes the spoiler for the entire group. वो एक पेपर की वजह से पूरा ग्रुप खराब हो जाता है, ये चीज़ हमें पता है. So why don't we then make ourselves protected with these eventuality right from this date? What you need to do? आपको क्या करना है students? मैं आपको बता दूँगा. Students, you will have to take up 2 attempts. Please take 2 attempts. New course will take the new course attempt. Old course will take the old course attempt. And please, obviously, you will have some past idea of the students. Select the 3 papers out of your group. In that 2 attempts, you need to select 3 papers. Or as many papers which are there in the 2 attempts. I am talking about which attempt? November and January. The November 20 and January 21. In that 2 attempts, the 3 papers which you will target would be easy, tough and average. Sorry, easy, tough and lengthy, not average. Average, anyway you will be in a position to do it. So I'm not that concerned or with that particular average part. I'm not concerned with that particular average part, so that is something right now irrelevant. What is more important at this stage, students, is the fact that you have to do, more importantly is that the easy, difficult and the lengthy. Like for example, last attempt costing was very difficult, like January attempt, which I used to hear from the students, or lengthy, I'm not aware of it. Why I'm saying so? Please go through that question paper very minutely and prepare your strategy as to how you would have done it, how you would have tackled it. So the fear, instead of that you should become fearless. The point is that you should become fearless and have a strategy in mind. So there is a ABC which we keep doing it. You should do your ABC in your mind about these tough paper or the lengthy paper. So lengthy paper, what could be the possible strategy? So okay, this is the reason why the question became lengthy, and which are the ways in which I can avoid myself into that particular trap of avoiding initially these type of questions which can consume a lot of time and which will make me struggle to complete my papers. This is a strategy. Easy paper also, why I'm focused. Then you will say, sir, why then easy paper you are talking about it? Students, easy paper sometimes are not scoring, because I know my students are there in the examination panel. They obviously they don't share, but they tell me that there are step markings, and ICAI is very strict on the step marking part. So if it is an easy paper, please see how they are putting across the minute step and detail primarily. So don't take them for granted. So that way, this exercise if you do in the last month, that is the month of June, hardly that 6 papers, maximum it could be 5 to 6 papers, not more than that. But you will get mentally be ready, and you will be mentally be very tough to handle the situation, and you will at least will become fearless. That is the reason. So that is my suggestion to all of you students. So students, do these 3 things, and that is all. This is the best thing that could be done, and I'm telling you, there would be a definite value of 20%. See, what we have to focus is on the value addition. What could be the value addition? Repeating the same thing again and again, doing what already you know, is not a value addition. These are the value addition. As I told you, it is just one paper in the entire group which becomes a spoiler. So if supposingly you have not done any practice earlier, please follow this advice. This would be your ultimate Brahmastra, which I can just tell to all of you. Again, last time repeating, students, tomorrow we are meeting with bullet revision. I'm sharing the link with all of you. 1 hour express fast revision would be done. Tomorrow topic would be trust taxation. I will be keeping you updated with the topics in the bullet revision itself, as per your choice, with the overwhelming which are topic of priority. I will try to take it. I'll try to take up not the tough topic is what I'm going to take it across initially. Okay, so that we will discuss tomorrow for 2 minutes or so. That we will discuss.